If you're having an issue connecting your drone to the DJI Fly app, here are a couple of things you can try. So, as you can see, my drone is on. And when I launch the app, I click the little switch to quick transfer mode, and you can see no aircraft found. A couple of things to check are on your phone, make sure that you have your Bluetooth turned on. Another thing that sometimes happens is if you don't have the drone open, but if you'll notice here, in the case of mine, it's flashing green. Now what you actually want it to be doing is flashing blue. So tap the power button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now that it's flashing blue, when I go to connect, now I've got my DJI Mini 3 showing. I can connect to it. Now I'm pressing and holding the flight battery for 2 seconds to confirm connection. 1, 2. Connect to device. Connected. Now I am connected to my drone. So most likely if you're having an issue not connecting, make sure you got the flashy blues and then follow those instructions.